Unlock seamless navigation and conquer your Notion clutter by mastering the art of creating powerful menus. First, let's start by heading to the page where you want your menu to live. This could be your main dashboard or a dedicated navigation page. Click anywhere on the page to activate the block insertion menu, or simply hit the / key. From the block menu, type page and select the page block. This will create a new, empty page that will serve as an entry point in your menu. Now, let's give this menu item a clear and descriptive title. For example, if you want a section for your projects, you might title this Projects. To make this a functional menu link, we need to associate it with an actual page in your Notion workspace that you want to organize. Hover over the newly created page block until you see a move icon appear on the left. Click on the page title to open it. Inside this new Projects page, you won't add content here. Instead, we'll create our actual organized pages again. Click the / to bring up the block menu. This time, type link to page and select the link to page option. A drop-down will appear allowing you to search for any existing page within your Notion workspace. Search for the page you want to link, such as your active projects page, and select it. This creates a direct link within your menu structure. You can add as many of these link to page blocks as needed, creating subsections or multiple navigation points under your main menu item. To further organize, you can create new top-level menu items by repeating the process of adding another page block. For instance, create a meetings menu item by adding a new page block and then linking to your relevant meeting notes pages within it, using the link to page block. Finally, you have the flexibility to reorder your menu items by simply dragging and dropping the page blocks. This allows you to fine-tune your navigation hierarchy. And there you have it, why you're a beautifully organized and easily navigable Notion workspace, all thanks to your custom-made menus.